আমি জানো এগ্রিকালচার ফিল্ড এর ওখানে বর্তমান, বাট এট দ্য ভেরি বিগিনিং the rivers were the suppliers of stones, pebbles, small stones, है ना, tennis ball size से पर stones, ठीक है, अलग डाउन हो पड़ा. Now when people started to stand up, can they stand up बोले ढोले लाया लाया के लिए hunting and gathering, the habit of hunting and gathering has started, has helped us to stand up. The habit of the necessity of hunting and gathering. It was a necessity. If we do not go for hunting and gathering, mostly hunting, we could not survive hunting. It is for all animals in the wild. For all animals, all the animals in the wild have to go for hunting. And we were an animal only. In origin, we are animal. Okay, that's hunting. Table grasses, savanna grasses in Africa. We have originated in Africa. South Africa, Kenya, Zimbabwe, all these places. We are going to find different places, different sites from where we have got our ancestors or their skulls, the tools that we have used in the beginning. All these things we are going to collect from Africa. So we all of us originated from Africa. Africa is the original point of all the homogeneous. All the homogeneous has started from Africa. Then we have diverted. We went to different places. A particular species moved towards the Europe. We call them Neanderthals. A particular species moved towards Asia. Java man, Peking man, Chinese man. Okay. In India we have found Ramapithecus. Okay, in Suvalicus. Oldest fossils. We'll read about the fossils in different class. Then again, see, they have been moving from Africa. Africa is the origin. Okay, but we have moved on our two legs. We started to stand up in two legs. We started to become bipedalism. Bipedalism in Africa itself. How? Because there were tall grasses. Africa, there were tall grasses, and they have to look for their animals, other animals to hunt them. We have to look for other animals to hunt them. The homogeneous who could stand up for a long time to see the animals, they survived for a long time. Their genes survived. Nature has acted on them, and they have chosen this particular group who could stand up for a long time. Naturally, we are not made to stand. Naturally, the nature has not made us to stand. This is a myth. Still, it's a myth in both anatomy and physiology for medical science also. How could we stand up? Nature has not made us to stand. Nature has made us to climb on trees. Brachiation, arboreal life. মানে ন্যাচুরালি আমি গছত জাপ মাৰি থাকিব লাগে. এনচেষ্টৰ আমাৰ এনেকুৱা বনাইছে. এইটো আছে আমাৰ হাতত. তোমালোকে হাতত জোৰকৈ টানটো পাতিব, দুটা হাত ওলাই আহিব তোমালোকৰ. কৈছোচোন প্ৰেক্টিকেল আছে. এনেকৈ টানকৈ হাতটো ইয়াত দুটা হাত ওলাইছে নাই? ওলাইছে নাই? This is from our ancestor. This bone is for rotate our hand on the trees. যাৰ কম আছে মানে সি বেছি ইভলভ হ'ল, তাৰ যেনটো বেছি ইভলভ হৈছে মানে যাৰ মানে এতিয়ালৈকে বেছিক আছে মানে কি ইভলিউশ্যন তাৰ যেনটো পোৱা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে মানে একো নাই. মানুহৰ ডিফাৰেঞ্চ আছে বহুত. কিছুমানে লোভটো ইয়াৰ লোভটো কিছুমানে বেছি ডাঙৰ থাকে, ইয়াৰ লোভটো কিছুমানে কম থাকে. যাৰ বেছি ডাঙৰ মানে তাৰ ইভলিউশ্যন শ্ল' তাৰ যেনটো. চ' আমাৰ তাত নহয় ইভলিউশ্যন, আমাৰ এনচেষ্টৰ পৰা ইভলিউশ্যন হৈছে, ঠিক আছে. মানে ইয়াৰ লোভ আমাৰ কাম নাই, ইয়াৰ লোভৰ এইটো আমাৰ এনচেষ্টৰ দি গৈছে. মেমেলছৰ কাম আছে, মেমেলছ হাতী ইয়াৰ লোভ আছে ডাঙৰ. কি কৰে হাতী ইয়াৰ লোভ? टेम्परेचर मेंटेन टेम्परेचर है ना, माके सके वो टेम्परेचर मेंटेन का बता दिया है ना. हमें मेमल्स के आर्ट क्वालिटी है कि बॉडी हेयर मेमल्स मेमोरी ग्लैंड्स इन फीमेल्स एंड बॉडी हेयर इट हेल्प्स अस टू मेंटेन टेम्परेचर. इन कोल्ड क्लाइमेट बॉडी हेयर, ठीक है. हमारे बॉडी हेयर तो कमी আছে कम्पेयर टू अदर चिम्पांजीज एंड गोरिल्लास. Because we have evolved, আমি এডাপ্ট হৈ গ'লে এনেকৈ মানে আমি গৰমত থাকিব পাৰোঁ, ঠাণ্ডাত থাকিব পাৰোঁ. ইভলভ কৰিলোঁ আমি এনেকৈ ইভলভ কৰিলোঁ মানে গৰমত আমি টেকনলজিকেলি ইমান ইভলভ কৰিলোঁ আমি কি গৰমত আমি ছাৰ্ভাইভ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে টেকনলজি আমি হেল্প কৰিব, ফেন লগাব পাৰোঁ আমি. ঠাণ্ডাত কি আমি ঘৰটো এনেকৈ বনাব কাঠৰ ঘৰ বনাই পেলাই থাকিব পাৰোঁ আমি. কিন্তু এই বাকী মেমেলছবোৰ কৰিব নোৱাৰে কামটো, সেইকাৰণে সিহঁতৰ ওচৰত বডি হেয়াৰ থাকি গ'ল. আমাক বডি হেয়াৰটো নালাগে এতিয়া, সেইকাৰণে বডি হেয়াৰটো লাহে লাহে কমি গৈছে আমাৰ. ঠিক সেইটো কথা ইভলিউশ্যন হয় মানে. ইভলিউশ্যনটো ইমান ইজিলি নহয় ইভলিউশ্যনটো, সেইটো মানে নেচাৰেল আমাক মাজে আমাক হেৰি কৰি থাকে মানে চিলেক্ট কৰি থাকে. বহুত দিনৰ মূৰত নেচাৰেল চিলেক্ট কৰিব আমাক. যাৰ দৰকাৰ আছে ৰাখিম, যাৰ দৰকাৰ নাই মাৰি দিলাম. অল আৰ প্ৰগ্ৰেম nature will come periodically in the form of any epidemic like coronavirus or any kind of disaster like flood or forest fire. Nature will come. This is very natural. Nature will come, but disaster will come. Disaster is very natural on earth. Through this disaster and different types of epidemics, nature checks our population. It checks our population. A particular species, they do not allow to grow all the species simultaneously. है ना? ऐसा को कथा पास से गुराजे ने खाओ लोग प्लान करे कहाँ जाते हैं ना वो ना है ना? तो मैंने घाट तो मीनिंग के उसमें घाट लगी वो गुरा है ना? और घाट तो बेसिक लगी वो है ना? घाट स्पेसिस बेसिक वाले वो गुरा क्या है ना? डेटा घाट से लगे वो तेना क्या माने कि ऐसा particular species population तो maintain रखी वाले इमानते population लेता है बेसिक वाले ऐसा कॉमन वाले कॉमन वाले वाले विश्व वाले लेता যদি বেশি হয় গছে নেচারে কাম কৰিব নেচারে বাকি ব্লক মারি আনিব কাক মারি আনিব যার জিনটো কাম নাই যার জিনটো ফিট নহয় মানে দেয়ার ইজ এ থিওরি কল্ড সার্ভাইভাল অফ দ্য ফিটেস্ট nature acts on variation nature will act on variation there will be variation there is variety some of them can cope with different type of diseases some of you may have the immunity to cope with coronavirus. You may get coronavirus, you have survived. Many people have died. Their immunity was compromised. Their immunity is not very strong. Means nature has chosen us to survive here. Nature has removed them so that the continuity of our gene maintains. Our future will be more stronger genetically. Survival of the fittest. Fit only survive. The fit people will survive. Fit doesn't mean bodybuilder. So fit means here immunity, strong immunity. Reproductively fit means we should be able to continue our progeny, our heredity it should be continued. আমি এবার থাকলে না আমি কন্টিনিউ করব progeny ঠিক আছে that is fit. Another fit means you are strong, you can adapt. If you can adapt in different climate, in different conditions, means you are fit. That is the meaning of fit. And nature periodically will come, they will see the people. They will give a disaster, they will give an epidemic. They will check if you are fit or not. If you are not fit, you will be removed simply. This is the law of nature. Yes, sir. So we are hunting and getting the bulldozer. Those who could stand up in their 2 legs, they could see the animal and they could hunt them and they can feed themselves and they have survived. And the other homogeneous who found it difficult to stand, they ran with the animals and there was accident. He was eaten by some other animal. There was competition and this gene could not survive for a long time. But these genes survive for a long time. And any human beings are continuation of the gene only. We are continuation of this particular gene only. A particular group of people, not people, a particular group of homogeneous who could stand up. Homo erectus who could stand up. They have continued their gene through the continuation of their progeny, offspring. Anthropology is actually not about human beings, how we have survived, our genes actually, how our genes is being continued. And these genes has given us a culture, society. We are the most advanced civilization. Not civilization, actually most advanced culture. We are the most advanced culture among all the animals. We are the only animals, we are the only genus in the animal kingdom who can communicate with each other in different languages. বেলেগো কমিউনিকেট কৰিব পাৰে না নহয় যে কুকুৰৰ মাজত কথা নহয় হয় না হেতৰ মাজত কথা মেকুৰীৰ মাজত কথা আমি একদম কাম কৰোঁ কিন্তু কি ভালকৈ যদি মানে এটা মই এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিছোঁ যে হয় না we have a particular specific language, we have a origin of language. Our origin is Indo-European language, right? Aryan language, Indo-European. English is an Indo-European language. Then again Aryan language, Sanskrit, Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, they are Aryan language. Means we have a source, we have learned and we have evolved that language also according to our particular environment, particular situation, particular culture. We have evolved the language also. And it will keep on evolving. In future also it will keep on evolving. Like English is evolving now. In the beginning we had breakfast, lunch, dinner. Now we have brunch. Again it's evolving. English is evolving. This new generation will keep on evolving. Next generation बार बेले का कोई एबारे भात काम करते रहते क्या? है ना? ठीक है तो. brunch and dinner के बाद कोई भी है ना? तो तने काम. मोर वाला को साइकिल things are evolving actually. Nothing is static. Everything is dynamic on the surface of the earth. In the universe, everything is dynamic. Nothing is static. Ena kada bosna jodi static hobe. Change is the law of nature. Some of the changes are very slow, some of the changes are very fast. Slow evolution is a slow change, fast earthquake is a fast change, volcano is fast change, evolution of organism, all these things are very slow. Genes are changing, and because this particular group have survived, their genes has continued, the new species has arrived, different species has arrived, and the third one, the last one at present is Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. Before that we had Homo habilis, people who started to use the stone. Homo habilis, stone, fire, started to generate fire with the help of stone. It is not us, it is not the Homo sapiens who has started the fire. It was started before us, Homo habilis. Cavemen, they were cavemen. They used to live in caves. They needed fire to keep themselves warm. They didn't know how to generate fire. It was accidental. Everything was accidental. Everything we have developed, we have a very high culture, civilization, all these things. This one जगह ना कितने रास्ते बढ़ो, खासकर Western culture, very highly developed culture मिलता है, ठीक है? Primitive culture होगा. Technology, we have very high technology. We can go up to sun, not sun, up to Mars. We can land on Mars. We have very high technology. Even evolution process so accidentally was error, through error. Mammals, one of the particular quality of mammal is that we make mistakes, we learn from our mistakes, errors. We do mistakes, we learn from our errors. This is the only thing that has evolved us, that has brought us to up to this stage. We do mistakes, we repeat the mistakes. In the beginning we have been repeating, and last we realize, mora hamar dom basla, bhul kam kore bole, है ना? Because it process fast ऐसे लाएगा, है ना? Now we realize very fastly because of this information technology. Everything is available in the internet. All the cultures are connected now. If someone is doing some mistakes like World War II or this Hitler Nazism in war with Germany, there was some mistake. We have learned from that mistake that no race is superior. There is no any particular, no pure Aryan race like that. It has helped. It is helping us now. Direct or indirect, it is helping us individually. Direct or indirect, in subconscious mind, it is helping us. That nothing is superior. Nobody is superior. Based on skin color, based on height, based on physical appearance, based on knowledge, based on everything, nobody is superior. We just belong to a particular species called Homo sapiens, and Homo sapiens are a primate, a group of primates, and primates are mammals, and mammals has done mistakes. Still they are doing mistakes. Monkeys, chimpanzee, है ना? সৰুৰা পৰা বেছি ডাঙৰ মিষ্টেক নকৰা, আমাৰ মিষ্টেক নকৰা হেঁতে বান্দৰ এটা কেইটা জাপ মানে বৈ নাযায় গছৰ পৰা, ঠিক আছে? বৈ নাযায় হেঁতে, সেইটো এৰৰ কৰিব নোৱাৰে হেঁতে। এটা চা বান্দৰবোৰক পিছফালে পোৱালিবোৰক লাগি থাকে, হয় নাই, বান্ধি থাকে, আৰু যদি ইমান ওখ পৰা যদি জাপ মাৰে মিষ্টেক কেতিয়াও নকৰে হেঁতে, ঠিক আছে? মানুহৰ পৰা হ'ব পাৰে কিন্তু এইটো মিষ্টেক জাপ মাৰিলে, মানুহে নিচা চিচা কৰি থাকে, হয় নাই, জাপ মাৰিলে ঘৰত পৰিব, কিন্তু বান্দৰটোৱে সেইটো কাম নকৰে, ভুল নহয় কিন্তু বান্দৰ, হয় নাই? জাম্প কৰাৰ আগতে বান্দৰে 10 ছেকেণ্ড চেক কৰি লৈছে লগৰ বিফৰ জাম্পিং, ব্ৰেইনৰ আগতে চাই ল'ব, ঠিক আছে? চকুকেইটা চাই ল'ব, বান্দৰ চকুকেইটা আমাৰ নিচিনা সন্মুখত আছে, যাৰ চকু এৰিপাত আছে সিহঁতে ষ্ট্ৰিঅস্কোপিক হেৰি নহয়, ষ্ট্ৰিঅস্কোপিক ভিউ বুলি কয়। ষ্ট্ৰিঅস্কোপিক মানে এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ মানে ফ'কাছ কৰিব পাৰে, আমি চকুটো যেতিয়া সন্মুখত থাকিব। যাৰ কিছুমান চাই তোমাক প্ৰজিমিয়েন্স বুলি কয়, চকুবোৰ চাইডত থাকে। আইচিএছ চিনেমাখন চাইছে তোমালোকে, হয় নাই? আইচিএছ, হয় না? তাত কোনো চিট বুলি আছে যে, হয় না, চকুৰ চাইডত আছে। তেনেকৈ তোমাৰ প্ৰাইমেটছো বহুত আছে, প্ৰাইমেটছ, মানে সিহঁতে প্ৰাইমেট আপোনাৰ দিগদাৰ হ'ব পাৰে। এটা চাইডে দেখিলে এটা চকু এটা চাইডে দেখিব, এটা চকু এটা চাইডে দেখিব, ডাইৰেক্টলি জাম্প মাৰিব দিগদাৰ হৈ যায় পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ফ'কাছ কৰি পেলাই। কিন্তু monkeys, we have evolved monkeys is an advanced stage in our evolution. We put stereoscopic views to our muscle, hunting or help kore, fighting or competition help kore. Amazon nozzle to komi hele. We are primates mane ki mukhon gulai thoka, nozzle nakhon gulai thoka, dihol gulai thoka. In the very beginning we dependent on our smelling sense. Smell kore ami mane bostu detect koriছিলাম, প্ৰাইমেট থাকোঁতে কৈছিলোঁ, ঠিক আছে? হিউমেন হোমো চেপিয়েন্স প্ৰাইমেট থাকে, আমি স্মেল কৰিছিলোঁ। এতিয়া কি হ'ল, স্মেলিং চেন্সটো কমি আহিলে প্ৰাইমেটছৰ, যোনটো ইভল্ভ কৰিলে স্মেলিং সেইটো কমি আহিলে, এইটো নজল বুলি কৈ যায়, নজলটো কমি আহিলে, আমাৰ ষ্টেৰিঅস্কোপিক ভিজনটো বাঢ়ি আহিলে। These are all what? These are all biological changes. And it has helped in socio-cultural development. হয় না? টোপনি লৈছে নেকি? এনেকৈ নহ'ব নহয়, প্ৰথম ক্লাছ এটা। So, आज क्लास में मुझे टेक्निकल তুমি ক'বলৈ চান্স নাপাবা, কাৰণ we have to understand understand, you have to know that depth. Keep your question. Then I start putting again. Where in anthropology we are going to read about human beings, not about present human beings. We are going to start from the past. We are going to read human beings both in spatially and temporally. Temporally means time. Spatially means place, different place, location. In anthropology, we are not going to read about a particular group. We are going to read about all the groups, all the people, variety of people, starting from Africa, the primitive people of Africa, primitive tribes of Africa, the primitive tribes of Andaman and Nicobar, the primitive tribes of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. Northern tribes are primitive, no matter. Northeastern में primitive नहीं बहुत थाके कॉमर्स है बहुत ना जंगल सुन खासी थाके दुनिया को रिलीजन करना पड़े निजे वाला रिलीजन थाके और नॉर्थईस्टर्न ट्राइब को देखते हैं हमारे भी से एडवांस हो ना सिलोन वाले कम पे जो हमें primitive ना रखते हैं but when we talk about primitive tribes we are talking about Andaman people, Sentinelese, Jorba, then again African tribes, the Amazon people. It has been developed about in the very beginning, colonial time. Amazon people, the Red Indians. It can be aggressive, but still in the very beginning, Red Indian. Different cultures. We are going to read about in different places. We are going to read different cultures, different society in different places. It is called spatially and temporally. Not about our present, about our past, present, and our future implications. Future in what may happen in future also. We are going to deal with the problems of the people in future. Dealing with the present problem and future problems, this past information will help us. Because our basic necessity is same. If whatever developmental stage you may be, whether maybe you are in Europe, you may be in India, you may be in Africa, our basic necessity is same everywhere. And when you see the primitive peoples, primitive means the tribes. Most of the traditions of these people, most of the traditions, most of the customs, most of the economical activities are same, basic, very basic. They are our starting point. And to solve any problem of present time, we have to go to them. We have to learn their behavior. We have to see what is the difference of their behavior with our behavior. Why our behavior is very much different. Why we are facing these present day problems. Why they are happy. They do not have any surplus production. They do not do any marketing business, all these things. They are not revolved around money economy. But they are happy. At the end of the day, they can sleep peacefully. But we have crores of rupees, billions of dollars, but we are under stress every time. Depression, all these things. Now to find the solution at present time, we have to go to them, we have to learn from them. At a very basic, we have to study them. And we have to see what has brought us into a different place. What is the difference between them and us? What are the factors? Whether it is the money economy, whether it is a change in the politics, different types of political philosophies, whether it is a change in any historical changes, historical ancestor, all these things. Then the Aryan side not very well. So there is the importance with tribes. In anthropology read about all the human beings. But the main focus is on primitive people. We are calling them primitives, but this is technically wrong, primitives. We have been using this word from a long time, that's why we are using now. We cannot remove this word now, but we cannot call them primitives. They are also having different culture. We cannot say they were advanced compared to them. Since anthropology was studied in Europe, they considered themselves advanced society. They considered the British, the American, the German, they thought they are advanced and others are primitive. And from very beginning they had used these terms. So we are just continuing with these terms. We do not mean primitive. When I say primitive, it doesn't mean that they are very backward. We do not mean they are backward. They have a particular different culture. Okay? They have their own society, they have their own method, they have their own medicines. They do not go to doctor, they go to sorcery, they go to witchcraft, they do witchcraft. They believe in spirit. All these things. That is their own culture. We do not judge them. It is their way of living. Even still, we are also continuing the same type of Even if you face some kind of diseases, especially in the village areas, your parents will call someone with this broom like you'll try to away this spirit, whatever is there inside your body, all these things. So we are also, it is there inside us also now. In different cultures, we are continuing these cultures. Primitive, from primitive it has come to us. Continuation of cultures, all these things. So in anthropology, we are going to read human beings, not only modern human beings, we are going to read primitives also. Why we are putting more focus on primitive? Because urbanization is increasing. Urbanization is increasing, modern society is increasing. And because of that problem, these primitive people, they are shrinking, their area is shrinking. Their demography is reducing. And because of that, as an anthropologist, we have to give more importance to these primitives because we have to save them. No other subject will talk about saving these primitives. Economics to economics for economics, they are burden. For economics, if you study economics, elders and our children, they are burdens on economy. They are burdens. Elders are burdens. But for anthropology, they are not burden. They are resource. Okay. So in polity, you can find democracy, you can find monarchy. They will talk about different types of evolution of war, all these things. War, after that war, World War II, all these things. New democracy. Then Arab Spring was there. They tried to bring Arab democracy in Arab countries, all these things. So they will talk about a different field, about leadership. They will talk about leadership, like different philosophy, leftists, rightists, all these things. They are not concerned about these primitive people. History only remember those people who has won the war. History remember Alexander, but they do not remember the local people who fought among them, against them. They do not remember the local people. History do not talk about the local people, the primitive people, the tribes who helped them or who fought against them. History remembers the leaders who won the war. Sociology talks about modern society. Sociology will deal with modern society. They do not talk about primitive people. So it is the job, it is the responsibility of an anthropologist to protect them, to save them from the increasing urbanization, increasing this modern society. So there is some other subject people blame anthropology that they only talk about anthropology, only talk about primitive, they do not talk about modern people. It is not the case. We also talk about every people. The boundary of anthropology is the homo. Homo is the boundary of anthropology. We do not talk about countries. We only recognize homo genus. Homo is our boundary. Wherever, I mean, if university for homo, I mean, that is our boundary. But why anthropologists focus more on primitives? Though anthropology is subject of human beings, of Homo sapiens, why they are more focused on primitives? So, because of increasing in modern civilization, because of increasing in urbanization, increasing in money economy, expansion of money economy. Other subjects, they talk about the modern societies, they talk about the money economy, they talk about the political philosophy, they do not talk about the primitives. The primitives, the tribes. Primitive people are not backwardness in backwardness, they are the other society. We are not, anthropologists are trying to save these people. That is the meaning of anthropology. But meaning to about time to value, but meaning to philosophical meaning. So definition as it is covered then depth is in depth what is anthropology. It's all about the human beings, past, present, future, different culture, different society. We compare the society. We learn from the societies. All the societies are different. And it must be different. There should be variation. Then only we can improve. We'll have a scope to improve. There will be a space to improve. There will be cultural contact because of migration. There will be cultural contact. There have been migration since the very beginning, since the evolution of human beings, Homo sapiens or Homo erectus. There have been migration. Migration is a very natural process. We migrate in search of resource. We need resource. Not only human beings, all animals. They will move. They will migrate in search of resource. But at present day, when we talk about migration, we have different political problems. Border, there is border. Refugee, Bangladeshi refugee. Bill, different types of bill, act. So anthropologists do not recognize these things, boundary. We recognize movement. We need movement. We need cultural contact. When there will be cultural contact, only there will be evolution, and evolution is the main theme of anthropology. If there is no evolution, there will be stoppage. There will be stoppage of this particular species of Homo sapiens. We cannot develop anymore. So, there is a meaning of anthropology, the scope of anthropology. Scope means the different fields of anthropology. What are we going to read in anthropology? Scope. Yes, sir. तुम्हारा को आगे मेटल डिवेलप है तो तुम्हारा जी रिसर्च है ना वीडियो क्लास में तुम्हारा था वीडियो पर रिसर्च है डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा बस ऐसे होता है नहीं वैसे डाउनलोड so हमें फर्स्ट इज द मीनिंग सिंपल सा ओरिजिन डेवलपमेंट नेचर ऑफ ह्यूमन स्पीसीज नेचर मींस बिहेवियर ठीक है নতুন মানে আন্ডারলাইন কৰিছো তোমালোক বস্তুটো এটো মানে কি মই বুকখন মানে কবা ফটো লৈছো মই বুকখন বহুত পুৰণা আছে মই 5-6 বছৰ পঢ়িছো যে লেটাৰ হৈছে বুকখন তোমালোক কিনকে বসা ঠিক আছে তোমালোক নতুন বুক কিনা সফা হ'ব তোমালোকে মই যেবাৰে পঢ় হেবাৰে মানে একবাৰ আন্ডাৰলাইন কৰি দিব বস্তু একেটা আন্ডাৰলাইন কৰি আকৌ আন্ডাৰলাইন কৰি দিছে লেটাৰ হৈছে তো সব মানে কি যদি মই আন্ডাৰলাইন কৰিছো বেছি ফোকাস কৰিব তোমালোকে ঠিক আছে মই যি আন্ডাৰলাইন কৰিছো কি আছে তোমাৰ ফাৰ্স্ট আনসার অরিজিন ডেভেলপমেন্ট নেচার ইজ হিউম্যান বিহেভিয়ার উইক টার্মস anthropos human being. It is the study of human beings living in societies and following distinctive ways of life labeled culture. Culture, what is culture? Culture is a distinctive, it is a way of living. Every culture is different, it is a way of living. Paisa na? Download question. This is 40 MB होगा मतलब मैं स्कैन करना 40 MB होगा लेकिन कितना आसान है डाटा slow culture is a very important part of anthropology. We are talking about biology and we are talking society, but culture is the way of life. It guides us. It shows us the path at a time of difficulties, when there is no scope, when we face different type of problems, basic problems, new problems. This is the culture only that will show us the path to come out from the problem, because it is a way of life. Since the very beginning, people have been adapting. They are adapted to different problems, to different climatic problems, to different societal problems, to different geographical problems. We have been dealing with them. We have, from ice age itself, we are there. From ice age itself, and at that time the climate was very harsh. We have adapted at the climate, but now we cannot do that. Our present generation cannot adapt to the ice age. They were very strong, mentally. Physically they have to be strong, but mentally they are strong, very strong. But at present generation do not find this strong, this kind of strong people. So to solve this problem, present day problem, we need to learn from them how they have adapted, how strong they were, not mentally, not physically only, but mentally also. Physically they have to be strong because there was hunting. They have to hunt. Physically, or physically strong people are not. Generally, mentally not. They will go for hunting, and there is a very high chance that they are not going to get any animal on that particular day. They have to go again and again for 7 days, 10 days, and the next day they will get something to eat. Now slowly memory will develop. Then if I go to this particular place, I am going to get something to eat. That is how slowly our neurons started to connect. Memory started to develop. Now we can memorize very easily. In the very beginning, there was no memory. We had only this basic animal instinct, like a dog. A dog, wherever it will get food, it will go. But nowadays also you can see, the dog will go to only that place where we give them food, right? So slowly, what happens? They learn. They are also learning. Then the learning process, evolving process. We also have evolved like that. Memory started to build. The neurons started to connect. There are neurons to connect. But also, there are variable neurons strong. There are variable connect. Connect. Brain high তুমি যিমানে যি কৰা বস্তু নপঢ়া যি কৰা তোমাৰ সাবকনসিয়াস মাইন্ডত বহি গল বস্তু সামথিং ইজ দেয়াৰ যদি তোমালে একেবাৰে টাচত নাথাকে একেবাৰে নপঢ়া বস্তুটো এই বস্তুটো বনটো স্লো হৈ আহিব পাহৰি যাবা এক্সামৰ কাৰণে মন নাথাকে বাট ইফ ইউ কিপ অন ৰিভাইজিং ইট উইল কিপ অন দ্যাট বন উইল বিকাম স্ট্ৰং উইথ টাইম if you keep on revising, and if you keep repeating the same activity, it will be on memory, because that I have to use this particular tool to kill that animal. It will become a memory now. In the very beginning, they have just made some experiment. Let's use this stone and kill that animal. If the experiment has passed, they have been using the same stone again and again. And in future, it has become part of their memory. They have started to break the stone into stone tools, flakes, and they used it to cut the skin of the animals. They used that stone to take out the roots of the plants to feed themselves, to dig holes, then to fight against other animals, to protect themselves from these things. This has become part of our memory. Culture. That is how culture is developed biologically. Biology is the starting point. Biology is the starting point of culture, but for anthropology, the starting point is socioculture. Socioculture is the starting point because Herodotus has coined the term anthropology. Aristotle is the father of anthropology. They are not philosophers. They do not talk about natural science or physical science. They talk about human beings. Socioculture. The socioculture is the starting point of anthropology. But the basic of this cultural evolution is biology. Biology can be basic. Our body is support koi আমার কালচার আমি যেটা বছরের জাপ মাটি আমরা যে বডিতে যদি আমি ইনভলভ না থাকতাম থিওবা হিকিলো আমি কিন্তু আমার সাপোর্ট করলো থিওবা কারণে আমি বায়োপ্যাডিলিজম হলো আমি বায়োপ্যাডিং হবে না দুটো হাত খালি হলো আমার উই কুড ব্রেক দ্য স্টোন টুল ইউজ করে আমি এটা করব পারলে মার্চ লগে পারলে না দ্যাট ইজ ইভলিউশন অফ সিভিলাইজেশন দ্যাট বায়োলজি হেল্প আস biology is the basic one especially genes our DNA is the main thing আমি পড়ি বেসিক জিন কেনে কন্ট্রোল করা জিন টু ডিসাইড করব আমি কেনে কাম আমার ফিজিক্স টু কেনে কাম জিন উইল ডিসাইড how we are strong how much we are adaptable to a particular environment না কিছু মানুষ বহুত বলে বমি করে বাসন বলে বমি করে না কিছু মানুষ গোটে ঘুরাই পড়া গোটে সবইটো ঘুরাই দেয় একো ফরক না না that is the gene our gene কিমান স্ট্রং আমার জিন অ্যাডাপ্টেবল কিমান environmental factor হয় বলো নকো environmental factor হয় but it is mainly our gene ঠিক আছে উপর গলে বহুত বমি করে মূৰৰ বিষ হয় পাহাড়ৰ উপর গলে বমি করে মূৰৰ বিষ হয় আরবিসি কথা আহে যেটা আরবিসি রেড ব্লাড সেলস এটা মানুহৰ আরবিসি আছে তাৰ মানে দিবে না আমাৰ কিছুমান আমি যাম গলে আমি গলিনে ফুৰিব হৈছে কি মলা বহুতে বমি কৰি জ্বৰ হৈ গ'ল বহুতে ধুনীয়াকৈ ঘূৰি আছে প্ৰবলেম নাই হা না কি যোনে ঘূৰি ফুৰে তাৰ জিনটো ষ্ট্ৰং হি ইজিলি আরবিসিটো ইমপ্ৰুভ কৰি বঢ়াই থাকিব নম্বৰ তাত জলবায়ুৰ জিনটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিব programming to begin increase your RBC because there is deficiency of oxygen our gene will start to produce RBC kismane gene to nogo care of government and gene our biology that will lead to a culture in different geographical locations we have different cultures nomadic cultures in plain areas we have Sanskrit culture in plain area we have got Sanskrit culture wherever there is agriculture in India we call it Sanskritization there was Sanskritization agriculture led to Sanskritization caste system originated from Varna system was the division of labor Varna system was a positive concept division of labor it got transformed in later Vedic time